Hello, I am at ANCA stall at EMO Hannover 2025. I have this passport with me. So I came to know that it's called AIMS, AIMS, which is a software which is helping the shop floors to become smart factory. I have with me Samuel, who is going to explain in detail about this innovation.
It's essentially our smart factory platform that we're developing. So we've got AIM Server as our software solution at the top. And then with that, we're allowing our tool manufacturing customers to centrally define all the workflows as well as store all of the process data that they need to produce their tools. We then provide sort of a middleware layer between MES and ERP and tightly couple that with the machines. So we're actually allowing the digital models that you use in MES and ERP, like jobs as well as work centers, to be tightly linked with the data models and things going on your actual factory floor and the equipment that you're using. So we also have our world-leading AutoComp solution. There's no other solution on the market that allows you to autonomously compensate your tool geometry as flexibly as we do with AutoComp. We're currently partnered with Zoller as our measurement platform, and so with that we can flexibly measure the geometries of your tools, feed those results into AutoComp, and then using ANCA scripting you can very flexibly define a compensation strategy per item in your ERP that gets fed back into the jobs that are executing on the different pieces of equipment. So it's very flexible. It caters for multiple processes in your tool production. We have a solution called AIMS Connect that's basically operator guidance, where they're guided through the workflow that's executing. We use barcodes and digital work instructions. So they scan pallet IDs as well as machine IDs. And then the system gives them digital work instructions to ensure that they're following the workflow that you have defined in AIM Server, that they're using the right machine for the right job, and that they're going and grabbing the tools that you want sampled and measured and then compensated with AutoComp and our Zoller solutions, as well as AIMS Automate, which is our fully autonomous tool production solution, where rather than sending digital work instructions to an operator, we just send commands to an autonomous mobile robot, and it can move pallets from machine to machine, as well as sample single tools out of a machine for measurement and compensation with our Zoller Autoline solution. So extremely flexible, fully autonomous tool production. It's an open ecosystem, so we're fully open to integrating equipment and machines that ANCA doesn't make, as well as we have solutions to integrate all ANCA machines into AIMS Automate or AIMS Connect. So it's a really revolutionary smart factory, either semi-autonomous worker guidance solutions or fully autonomous tool production.
Well, this is the innovation, and I am going to hand over this passport.